Oh. Oh. Hey, Kay.
Okay.
I'm recording, by the way. I forgot to say
Hmm.
beep. The code word to start streaming, and by streaming and re-recording, was supposed to be beep, but I forgot because I was so shocked by the toad hat. So yeah, this is Sheila and Kay. We're going to be actually alternating. So when it gets back to my day, so instead of Kay having her own day, we're just gonna share a day and alternate between the two of us and just do dual commentary. That way we're not taking up literally half of the series just ourselves. Also, wait, I want to take a look up at the sky real quick because I thought I saw something.
Look up at the sky.
Is that the moon? It's a new moon. Yeah, I'm
You take
appalled.
the moon.
I must say I'm appalled by this hat. I don't know how you found
I actually don't like it, honestly.
And I want something else.
I'm happy Chris went through with that face.
Oh, the Lenny fate. That was your choice,
Yeah.
wasn't it? Yeah.
Well, I suggested it.
Let's see. Kitchen refer. Whoa, he already ordered stuff? Okay.
Goodness.
Alright, we still just live in a tent. Oh, we have a dress. Fluffy dress. I don't know if this one, I remember this one didn't look too good, I don't think. Oh wait, that looks alright. I tend to prefer like the short sleeve dresses.
Hmm.
I guess it depends on the outfit.
It looks more like a robe.
Yeah.
Like a wizard robe.
So it looks like retail at least is still open. We can check them out. I haven't played New Leaf like in a really long time. You were saying, by the way?
Isn't open until like 10 or something?
I do not know.
Oh, you're a bit... Oh, you dead.
Oh, yeah, no, I have to. I can't look at it right now. I'm actually really excited to be playing Roommates again, because I did enjoy this. And I was so eager that I started watching Chris's video without remembering that I'm not supposed to watch it until tomorrow. So, yeah. I wonder...
Oh. I love that.
What's that?
The top right.
This boy?
No, the
No, yeah, you mean that boy.
Dresser?
The clothes closet?
Yeah.
How, like,
I actually have that in my save.
I love the clothes closet. It's silly because you expect it to open and it just like it like melts. I really like it. I think it's silly.
Oh, it's really cute.
Oh, I see on my. I'm gonna have to fix that. The Ooh.
Oh.
Did you see that too, or no?
What? See what?
On the stream elements, how there's like there was just a tiny bit of green on the bottom of the. There we go. I just fixed it. It wasn't cropped properly. You wouldn't have seen it actually on your end because I'm streaming the emulation window to you. And we're finding Wisp again. And by again, I mean when I first tested this on my own file, I actually found Wisp. But I never brought him back to my house, so he's just sitting in a lamp.
I like the design of this channel. Yeah,
Chris picked a good layout, and he got, well, from what I saw, because I stopped before he got off the train, actually. He got, actually, but I didn't read what that said. He got really lucky. This is the first layout that we rolled. But we don't really have any weeds, so we don't have to ask him to weed for us. I'm gonna just bring him back right now. Well... do we have to bring him back right now? I kind of want to see if there's anything else I can do before it becomes 9. I don't want to miss out on things. Also, I didn't get us any money yet. I haven't contributed anything. Thankfully. Pretty sure Nookling Junction is open decently long, at least compared to, I don't know, Nookway. I don't remember the hours of... I just said Nookway. It's not even Nookway anymore. I'm not used to the new store names. Oh wait, how are play coins handled in this actually? Oh, I see. We have, how did we get that many? Okay. We took a lot of steps apparently. That must be how he got the toad hat. I bet you I get nothing. Oh, it must be Samus stuff. Is it gonna be like a Samus shirt? God, apologies in advance if you can hear like sudden loud music. I have roommates other than my Animal Crossing roommates. I should really be using my touch screen for this. My touch screen. Wait. Touch screen. I'm fixing my touch screen really quick. There we go. I fixed my touch screen. Ooh. Like when you're just in your office job and you go up to the photocopier and you know.
Good one.
Also, look, I can't believe this. I actually like the sleek set. I think it makes for a good like cafe look. I almost want to get these. This is the it's called the sleek set. I think it goes really well with like the coffee items that Brewster gives you if you play the coffee minigame. So I'll at least get them and maybe just sell them back. I mean, that's what we're doing. Right?
Helping little Nikki there.
Yeah, Tommy.
Improve the shop.
Tommy Pickles. From Wugwats. Oh good, they're still open. This is my favorite place to go.
I hope they have some nice stuff.
I always like going to the Able Sisters.
They're my fave. Remember I talked to Sable. Let's hope everyone else does.
I'm gonna have to look at the video and figure out what Chris made the town tune.
I feel like I recognize that.
Yeah, it's very familiar. I'm sure we know.
I like that dress.
This also, yeah, I like this, but also this shirt is definitely the shirt worn by the female character on the cover of Wild World, I think. She has like that weird puffy hat, and I swear she has this shirt. I swear. Someone has that shirt. I like the shirt that we have right now. It's pretty simple, but I like it.
Neat. I really like this striped shirt, yeah.
880 bells. It's expensive. It's not really.
It's a cat.
Oh wait. Look at our default socks. They're like striped.
Oh.
I guess the accessory is the accessory shop open?
Yeah.
Oh. I never realized it was open by default in this. That's good. And I guess this part of the shop never really expands, huh? Oh, that's a really good hat.
I love that.
Oh yeah, this is really cute. There's like a little Gracie Grace, like news, like there's Gracie's little like ribbon there, and that has to be like a little news clipping.
Oh.
That's cute. She's still friends with Gracie. Obviously. I mean, who wouldn't be? I don't think I really particularly care. I always try to collect sunglasses in Animal Crossing. I don't know why, but I don't particularly care for these.
No.
Eh. Also, I would normally, like, I don't know why, but I used to be really fond of this specific hat in, like, City Folk. I don't know why. I had bad fashion taste. It's improved.
Good fashion taste.
I guess the shoe place hasn't opened yet.
No.
I'm not used to underdeveloped Main Street at all. Oops. Oops. I'm going to open up the oh. Can we move back to the I want to see my picture. How do I see my picture? Oh, there it is. Oh yeah.
Oh great. Great.
Russia?
Oh yeah, that's the default.
I changed that on my DS though. From Russia with love, bees. And we're apparently a Cancer, I guess. I like that. That's a cute crab. I want to look at that crab again. Look at that cute crab. That's great.
Oh crap. Love that boy.
Poor Chris. I wonder if it was on purpose just for the joke.
I mean, honestly.
I would definitely do that.
I mean, Let's be real.
I
think
will
we're
do
all
that.
thinking it.
I will do that right now. Actually, I'm gonna see if I can find the money rock. I'm not used to this new 3DS that I'm using. It's so funny. I'm just gonna leave the holes there because they go away. I'm evil. I like leaving things ugly.
You should get a little flare in your hair.
I should, but I need to find a good one.
Yeah.
I like going to the island and like. It actually inspired the commission I got from Bonnie a while back, but I would get like the hibiscus. Oops. This is gonna be a pill bug, but we don't have a net.
Remember, you can close the holes.
Oh yeah, I know. I'm choosing not to.
Okay. Whenever I always end up picking another hole, so we're going to stuff.
Dang. I'm just gonna leave holes everywhere. I wish the holes stayed so I can do some cool trolling. Who's this? Cherry. Isn't that a new?
Cherry.
Cherry is like a new villager that they added in the Welcome Amiibo. And by
Isn't Cherry the dog?
yeah, she's the dog. She's actually returning from
Really like her.
from Animal Forest E+ or whatever. Oh shoot.
Yep.
I don't remember this villager that's behind me. I've seen her, I just don't remember her name. Kitty. Okay, forget it. We've apparently already met, and I don't particularly feel like talking to you. I'm sorry. Oh, I guess we have...
Hair?
What's up?
What fruit was that?
It looked like oranges. Unless that was perfect fruit.
Oh.
It's oranges.
Okay, I thought it was pears because they are.
Perfect pears. I like this little fish in the window. I was about to do a Mario here fishy fishy impression, but it would have gone horribly. Oh my god.
Aww. This is adorable.
He's cute. I've never seen this villager. For a second,
Sup,
like,
bro?
oh god. For a second, the music, like I recognize this KK song. This is the K-Funk, I think, but like for a second it was playing at like double speed, so I thought he had some exclusive tape that was like double speed. Yeah, I got it right. I'm an expert at guessing KK songs. Oh, he waved. He's so sweet.
Aww.
The villagers are complete. So what's nice about this game and what won't be exhausting is that the villagers have a lot to say compared to Animal Crossing GameCube. And they're not mean. They're so mean in Animal Crossing GameCube. It's not even funny.
Wasn't Blueberry really mean to you?
Yeah, Blueberry was mean to me in Last Roommates, and like, it's horrible. Like, they all said the same thing, like, oh, aren't you up late, or aren't you up early, or whatever. It's like, it got so old. Like, let me live my life. Let me play with the game when I want, please. I'm never gonna find this freaking money rock. If it's cool with you guys, by the way, I really want to have it so that we have the beautiful town. Actually, you know what? We don't even need the beautiful town ordinance because we'll be playing every single day. You know what? Forget I said that.
I mean,
it would be good for the flowers, though, is what I'm thinking. Because like we might not remember to like water flowers every day.
I think if I'm gonna be like planting a lot of flowers, that may be for the best.
I was actually going to mention on my old file, my village was absolutely covered in flowers and hybrids because I loved making flowers and hybrids. I just stole flowers from like the island and then planted them and made hybrids. I was
good.
I really exploited the island for all their flowers. I don't remember, was this money rock thing, was it like in... Wait, what? That's scary. It like started, the meow coupon thing just started beeping out of nowhere.
Oh yeah, it does that when there's a notification.
That's scary. Maybe finding a money rock is like A notification? I don't know, it's scary. I don't like it.
Maybe, yeah. Oh, I never even realized you could combine money.
Yeah. Wait. What the fuck? Is that new in E plus? Not in E plus, but is that new in Welcome Amiibo? Because I swear you could never sit on rocks like that. I just like accidentally sat on a rock. I've never done that
Yeah, you
before.
can do that.
I swear that is only like Welcome Amiibo though. I've never been able to do that.
Mm.
This mosquito. If this was Animal Crossing GameCube, this mosquito would have got me by now. But if you exit a menu and keep going, they won't get you. Also, this is just top-notch inventory management by me. That's a spooky sound. I don't like it.
Maybe better get meow coupons.
Probably. I don't want to get freaking Mao coupons. Cat machine. Oh, haha. Give them meow coupons. Is that Street Pass? Initiative rewards. Okay. Okay. I don't understand. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, well we got the gem rock and the money rock. That's a lot of mummy. I don't remember. I'm gonna save the gold nugget because I think we need to use nuggets for stuff. I think. I'm just gonna hold on to it.
I don't remember.
And if we don't have a... Yeah, I just want to check in the tent real quick. If we don't have a closet already, I'm gonna buy one. Oh, I like that. I like the Paper
It's like a
Mario.
purgatory.
That's a little piece of Chris right there because it's like Paper Mario, like his favorite series. Chris's Color Splash streams were actually a lot of fun. Okay, this is gonna sound like the weirdest thing to the viewers and to UK, but for a second there's a stage in Sonic Heroes called, it's either Mystic Mansion or like whatever, like in that same world. And in the upside down version of that, there's this weird scream sound, and I swear I heard that. It's like meh. I swear I heard that for a second, like in real life.
You said Sonic Heroes, yeah?
Hmm?
Did you say Sonic Heroes there?
Yeah, Sonic Heroes.
I played that a lot when I was younger. I don't remember that.
Sonic Hero. I should stream Sonic Heroes.
Oh yeah, you
No,
should.
I shouldn't. Actually, I remember what happened. Never mind. I shouldn't stream it. No, I should not stream Sonic Heroes. That went very,
You
very...
should load up the game and just listen to
Look,
this.
frogs are good, but Frog Forest is not good. Frog Forest is extra mad. Also, I don't even know if I have that game's ISO anymore. I might. I probably do. I would have no reason to get rid of that game's ISO.
Pretty sure I have the
Yeah,
hedgehog
just
ISO.
made fucking Sonic Heroes ISO and we'll just get all the way up to that level. Also, we now have infinite inventory space. I remember in Welcome Amiibo they added some sort of like closet, like warehouse thing. I don't remember how that works, but I don't remember if we need like max house. What was it? Like maximum expansions to do that? I don't remember how that works. I'm just gonna put all this stuff in here. I wanted to wear that. I'm not even gonna organize. Because I feel like if I organize, it's just gonna like... Oh, wait, thick glasses. I wanna... Obviously I wanna wear those. Oh, let's hold on to that. Fossil. The skirt. I remember the skirt's looking alright. The black formal skirt, if I'm not mistaken, is just like jet black, and it doesn't look very good. I mean, that might be fine for some outfits. I think I remember that being fine for some outfits, actually. Yeah, let's wear some glasses and then this.
Yeah.
I gotta figure out what hair to get when we can finally get hairstyles. Especially when we can get the girl ones, like...
I'm sure there's a good couple.
I just wish there were more like long hair styles, but also like like most of the long hairstyles seem to be like ponytails or whatever, and that's all right. I mean,
It's alright.
I only like wear my hair up if I'm at work and it's really getting in my way.
Hmm.
Otherwise, I really just wear it down, even if it's looking messy. So I'd probably prefer that, but I don't think there are really too many styles like that in this game.
Yeah, I could never cut my hair up. All this looks bad.
You're wrong. Oh wait, we never did the. I never did the lamp. Oops.
Oh,
That's pretty much what I went there to do. Is like organize the inventory, and this is something that people may remember being awful in Roommates 1 is the inventory management, because we just like the closets are so bad in that they hold 3 things each, so you need a ton of them. Here we go. All right, Wisp. Aw, he's cute.
there he is.
I don't know if that's gonna work.
There's a way to do it. I don't remember. I didn't figure out how though.
I wonder. I don't know.
There's definitely a way to do it.
What's like use NFC?
Like the QR codes?
It's not QR codes. It's not QR codes. It's like it uses like the infrared sensor on the 3DS, which is different from the camera. So I don't think we can
I'm
do
not
this.
sure.
We can do QR codes if we could get the camera to work.
There's a way to do the camera on this 3DS.
Well, yeah, but I guess the infrared reader is another story. I wonder if they'll ever find something with that. Can we like? I'm not gonna do anything with the magic lamp. I'm sure if I rubbed it again, he'd just be like, "Oh yeah, now do that same thing again." Only it's not going to work. What a dumpy mailbox, by the way. Who even is Tom Nook? It's just a cardboard box. Oops. Also, we don't even have a watering can yet, so we can't even preserve the lives of these poor plants.
No.
Puddles. I had puddles in my city folk town, like in like 2012. Aw. Oh, I like the. Oh wait, what is this song? Okay, wait. I need to guess this song. This isn't KK Ballad. Oh my goodness. Is this KK Ballad? Oh, it is. I was right.
Hmm.
Okay. I wonder if this is another one of those games where they just like give you tutorials always, like no matter what.
I think it's for the first week or something.
Okay, that would certainly be okay.
Yeah, it's kind of
Excuse me,
not the
I can
best,
deal with
but
that. That's fine.
it's only a week, so
Because
it's
I
not that
remember
fast.
getting a lot of tutorials in the first roommate season.
Okay, you know you gotta do something with that seed, by the
Oh
way.
yeah, definitely. They'll never see it coming. Oh. Really? What's that instrument? It's like that like metal instrument that you like wear on your chest or whatever. Huh?
Oh? Hello?
Like that, listen, that like fart sound, remember? That sound. Like, wait. Let me see if I can get it to play again. I'd have to
I'm
like,
not sure
I'd
what
have
I'm
to like,
meaning, sorry.
it's like the. Wish I could replicate the sound of that instrument. See, like, if this is my file, and this wouldn't be ideal at all, I would put my house like here or anywhere where it could fit right here, because I like having it in like the secluded corner. And then like when I get like money for a TownWorks project, I'll put a bridge nearby.
I would probably, you know, like the far right, above, just above there.
Oh, so like above the river, or
Yeah, just above there.
or north of the river. Above the river would be something else. That'd be nice. Gruff. Who's Gruff?
If there wasn't a house
Gruff's
on
a
the bottom
wolf.
already. Sorry?
Gruff's a wolf, right? I'm trying to remember.
I'm not sure, sorry. Oh.
Yeah, out here finding all the fossils. Oh, you can hear the ocean. That's really nice.
Yeah.
Oh, is he asleep? I'm not here.
I'm not here.
Oh, good.
Maybe in the museum.
That's true. I forget that they can hang out in there. I don't think selling seashells is a bad idea, but
Oh.
What's
Nice.
the chances? What if I just screamed in the microphone? Oh, it worked, okay. Lizzie? What? Hurricane Lizzie? I'm terrible at geography, by the way.
Oh.
Okay. Okay, alright. Could you be like... This country is famous for JoJo Part 5.
I would go there.
Oh. Thanks, Gulliver. I love your eye. Shaped like a boot, and they love
He's
pasta.
walking into a wall.
He's very confused. Oh wait.
Don't forget to subscribe.
We need to save that giant clamshell for when we can make music boxes.
I
want to make music boxes.
Your inventory's full. But like...
Sorry?
Nothing. I said your inventory was full.
Oh yeah. Well, I was really just trying to fill up as much as I could with. I mean, anytime you go in and out of a building, you know, the seashells are reset anyway. It's like free money, basically. I hope Game Boo will at least get us like a good outfit tomorrow. We don't wake up with a toad head. Oh, oh wait, this is
good fashion.
No, I want to say I'm upset with you, but I don't want you to actually believe me. But it was really funny when you were like, "Oh no, I actually like it." The toad head. When you said you liked it. Oh wait.
I don't mind that.
Perfect tree is right near the shop alley entrance. Hopefully it doesn't get housed. It probably got housed. Cause I don't. Oh wait, no. I guess this is it. It's right near the entrance, then it should be. Let's go donate some fossils.
I love bladders.
I'm pretty sure we filled out at least the fossil exhibit in Oaks, Pennsylvania. I think we did. I don't think we filled out anything else, so I was never that big into fishing.
The fossils are... where's that?
Honestly. Not about chasing those bugs around either, unless it's to make me money. And by the way, I'm going to be cutting out all of the bug hunting I do, because what I'll probably do is like later, maybe even later tonight. I'll actually. Oh no, I can't do it tonight because we don't have the island yet. But I'll probably like record earlier in the day, and then later at night, I'll go to the island and get bugs, and then I'll send the file to the next person. Cause I like hunting for bugs. It's fun.
You mean send the cartridge?
Yes. That is what I mean. Did you guys hear that dog whimper? Why? Wait, what reason did he have to whimper right now? Pretty sure all of my roommates are home right now, so I don't know why he's whimpering.
Oh, fossils, yeah.
Well, let's see. Itch, Theo, Skull, Terra left wing, and Patchy tail. Patchy.
Nice.
Oh no, Patchy.
Ugly cephalosaurus. Those are the ones with the skulls.
Patchy from Panute's Discord, if you're watching this video, I'm not sorry about your permaban.
Nice one.
Thanks, I worked really hard on it. I thought for like 2 seconds and it was difficult. Well, we have to do something with this.
Hmm.
It's gotta be like...
Wait, what is leftover fossil?
Oh. Triceratail.
Oh, so Chris must have got that.
Yep. I mean, I can't think of
Should
any
just
other.
put that in the tiny tent.
I mean, is there any other choice? Like, really?
Not even
is
like
there any
sell
other
it,
choice?
just like leave a massive thing of the tail.
I have an idea. This is probably the perfect place to put it, I think. I'm gonna walk into it. Watch, I'm gonna walk into it right now. Ah! Let's...
I bet you're gonna fall into it later.
I will. What's the shirt? Is it the... I'm gonna hold on to that. I don't wanna... Because we were wearing that when we first logged on. I don't wanna throw that away immediately. I'm gonna put the giant clam shells on like a specific drawer.
Drawer 4.
Hmm?
Number 4 in the drawer.
Oh wait, I don't want to sell this shirt. I don't know why I did that. And I haven't seen Pascal today, so we don't need to hold on to any. I mean, I could just hold on to scallop shells anyway. I'll just hold on to scallop shells as well, because Pascal likes those.
It's a lot of bells.
That's a whole lot of bells, baby. Ah.
It's a lot of shell bells.
I'm not gonna lie, I wish the island was unlocked already, because I really like hunting bugs in this game. Like, there was a period in my life when I was like this is after I was out of school. I was like I was out of state, like staying with my grandmother, and I didn't have anything to do because I had like no friends, and all I had was like a crappy computer. My cousin's 3DS. I actually was able to get a copy of New Leaf, and I played the hell out of it. I played the living hell out of it. Also, I don't think I'll do a design today, but yeah, that game like saved that like whole thing, because it was like a sort of like difficult circumstance where I didn't really have an option to go home. Like, I wanted to stay, but also I felt like sort of trapped, and it was like a weird, I want to say, difficult time in my life. So Animal Crossing helped me through that. I don't know if I should go into details. I thought that was a balloon, by the way.
I saw so many of them.
Hmm?
Oh, I saw so many of them in my playthrough
Oh, yeah.
that I couldn't get at that time.
Oh, with Elmer. Elmer is gay, by the way. 100%. Tenderfoot. I mean, he says Tenderfoot. Of course he's gay. Alright, I'm gonna get stung by bees.
I'd laugh if the very first tree was bees.
Close!
Why are you not going inside? Are you just flexing?
Okay. I actually wanted to get stung on purpose. I'm gonna do this.
Oh,
I'm gonna do this every day.
that was a really cute face.
I'm gonna go get stung by more bees. But yeah.
Oh,
No, since
did
I've...
you see Greg's character?
Hmm?
Did you see Greg's character?
Oh, his me? Or his Animal Crossing character?
Yeah,
No, I didn't see it.
I'm pretty sure Muffy said it got worse every time he saw it. She saw it.
There we go. I'm just gonna update this with a new bee sting photo every day. I can't wait
Just
to
look at
get
the
all the
very
new...
end.
I can't wait to get all the new emotes. Oh,
At the
yeah,
very
wait.
end of the playthrough, there's gonna be like a site, like, you know that video, like 100 days and photos or whatever,
100-day what?
where it's just like a person takes a photo of themselves for like 10 years or something.
Oh yeah, a person takes 60 photos of themselves a second for 30 seconds. Oh, nice whoop step. You know what? I've got nothing to lose. I've already got the bee sting on my face. I might as well shake every tree and look for furniture.
Hmm.
Oh, spider.
But what was I saying?
About Greg's character? You still never sent me.
No. Something.
You were definitely talking about Greg's character. Like before that?
That was unrelated.
Oh, okay.
Don't worry, I'll remember.
Okay. So many spiders. Oh my god, did you hear that? That song?
I think, yeah.
That fucking song. Oh shit, that was a big bug. I like bugs, but like when bugs that are way too big, like when they like flap their fucking bug wings and it's like it's like the loudest flying ever. It's
Hey,
yep.
Slim.
Hmm.
I told you I was dead.
I still didn't expect it. No, never mind. I was gonna hold the rose in my mouth. It's a shame that you can't put the roses in your hair.
Oh yeah, and my playthrough, I think I got that island really early, so it might be the same for you guys.
Hopefully. What's this?
Nice.
Milk case.
Milk case.
I actually like that. I like the milk case a lot, actually. Because I always go for like a cafe aesthetic. So...
It's really cute, actually. Oh, you're not letting that sting this thing?
No. I mean, I could just let it sing me and save time. Certainly.
So can you not spell the hive?
Hmm?
Did you pick up the outer hive?
The what?
Did you pick up the outer hive?
Oh, I never did. Oops. I'll pick them up before we log off for the day. Why do the characters bob their heads so dang much?
They bobbin.
Bobbin like Maple.
Maple bob.
Maple is the cutest little bob.
You haven't even seen, like, her most extreme bobbing.
Extreme bobbing.
She really goes hard on it sometimes.
Does she do it like really rapidly or something?
Yeah.
Why does she bob?
There's multiple reasons. Sometimes it could be intention, or she wants like food, or whatever. It's actually like a trait for winged birds, or unwinged birds, I think. Where it's like they bob because that's what they do to get food or something.
That's interesting, actually. I'm pretty sure there can only be like 2 beehives a day, right? I should be safe now. I really want, I'm not going for the money, I just really want more furniture.
Yeah.
Come on, baby. There's gotta be one more. I got so lucky in Animal Crossing roommates the first time around. I got like 30,000 bells at one time. There we go. Yeah.
Nice. What'd you get?
I didn't even look at it this time. Marshmallow
chair.
That sounds cute.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go pick up the other beehive, and then I'll look at what this furniture is, and then it might be. I mean, I could sell the fruit, I guess.
Yeah. It's not like you can sell it like in other towns.
Oh wait. I don't remember where that beehive was. I think it was up here.
Yeah, it's somewhere up here.
Oh yeah, it was really far
There we
over
go.
here. I'm glad to not be locked in a grid anymore, a la Animal Crossing GameCube. The grid makes things like, it's just weird. Like, I always want to be in the center of the screen. And anytime I'm near the edge, I get like weirdly anxious. Eat my hives. That's gross.
Honestly, Reese's is so cute.
Yeah, they're both cute. I think people said that it looked like she was wearing like clown makeup. She doesn't. She's just cute.
Like, yeah.
That's mean. Shouts out to Toaster Man 247. He streams this game a lot. I'm gonna put a lot of that stuff back at the house real quick so that we have more room to pick up oranges. Imagine living in a tent like this. Playing through the entire game just living in this tent. I wonder if we could actually do that.
Don't you have enough money for the den payment?
Actually, I think I do.
It's only 10,000.
Oh, really? Oh, well, hell yeah, I'll just pay that.
Yeah.
Chris probably didn't have many. Oh, that's just straight up a marshmallow. Great.
Yeah, it's adorable.
That's really cute.
That actually fits the aesthetic of the cafe almost.
Yeah, you know what? You're right. And if... Because I imagine we're each going to have like our own rooms. Because we can get 4 rooms. Or we can just like share a room. Oh no, because then there's the basement and the attic too. I was thinking like the main room, like the middle room could be like a common room for all of us.
Hmm.
And then maybe the basement could... Well, we know what the basement's going to turn into, inevitably. Which will be fine. Like, maybe one of us can have the attic and the others can have the 3 rooms. Because, like, the basement, that's reserved. You know? For you know what.
Hmm.
For anyone who doesn't know what, don't ask. Don't ask. We can't tell you yet. Sorry, can't tell
It's
you.
gonna be illegal, honestly.
It's, like, really fucked up. We can't tell you. I meant to drop that, by the way. Also, I never knew you could display shirts on walls. I forgot you could do that.
Would it even work in the tent?
Hmm?
Would that even work in the tent?
Oh wait, yeah, I don't know if that would work in the tent. I'm pretty sure you can't hang things up in the tent.
Yeah, I think I tried.
Oh, shoot! Nooks doesn't close at 9, does it? Oh yeah, I wouldn't be able to make that payment if it's past 9, or past whatever time they close.
I don't know.
Hopefully they don't close at 9, that'd be really bad. I could have
I
made the
guess it
payment.
would just be the same as, like...
Oh shoot, that could be bad. Please be open. No, Nooks!
Can you not go, maybe try the post office?
But then we can't talk to like Nook and be like, oh yeah, the thing. We're 1 day behind already. Deposit. That just deposits it into our account.
Oh, dang.
Poopy. That
I was
sucks.
hoping you would let you do it before you even talked to him.
We did start
It's a
kind of
shame.
late. I didn't set up my scenes until like really late, so I really wasn't ready. I mean, that's my own fault though. I guess that's not a big deal. It's just one day.
Nah, it's fine.
Surely that won't happen a lot, like throughout this entire series. Also, I miss Digby. We need Digby. We need Digby to stand there constantly and never get talked to because he doesn't work on this DS. This DS is very broken. Doesn't have infrared, doesn't have street pass, doesn't have spot pass. I guess... I don't think we can roll out a rug in this tent, can we? I don't think we can.
Don't think you can what?
Roll out a rug.
Oh,
I don't think we can. I don't think we can. Yeah, no.
Yeah.
Let's see what this chef's outfit looks like. Pretty cute.
It's kinda cute actually, yeah.
We'll put up the fridge, like next to the milk case. I just want to kind of throw this lamp away.
Milk quesadilla.
Milk quesadilla. Boom. And guess what? It's a closet too. That's an advanced refrigerator. Look at that. It's got tech. And it's got like a Chain Chomp sticker. I don't know what that is actually. Let's get some fruits. I'm gonna put this stuff in the closet so it doesn't take up a lot of space. I'm not putting that toad hat back on. Given the legal opportunity, I will kill that toad hat. I'm weirdly expecting to get stung by more bees, even though I know that's not going to happen. Also, wait, what was that? Oh, what?
Oh?
A secret? Secret?
Huh.
Thank you, Chris. What was that for? What? Okay. Also, I'm pretty sure, like, Pearl, the cat that has, like, big old eyes, she's not in this town, but I'm pretty sure she starts with this shirt by default, too. I need oranges. Let's go get some oranges. Also, wait, look at that. Look at how the trees, like, totally don't, like, line up with the world after you, like, look at how they obviously, like, dip lower than they should. Do you see that? I always, like, see they're, like, already sinking into the ground. I always notice that. It's hard not to notice sometimes. This game is very pretty, though. That's that's, like, my only complaint about the game's look, aside from maybe, like, sort of, like, the glossiness of, like, the grass, I guess. That's it.
I really want to keep the town looking pretty.
I mean, we will. I should probably, in that case, I should probably stop running so I don't leave a bunch of dirt paths everywhere. I remember that had to be like the largest complaint when people first saw trailers, is seeing that there was grass degradation still. What is the, like, who would want dirt paths? I get that it's supposed to be like, oh, this is where you go all the time, so there's dirt paths here. But no one wants them. They just make the town dirty.
I don't know. They could have done something different with it.
Yeah.
Like, you dig, like, holes, and then it makes paths where you leave holes the next day or something. Something like that would be neat.
It would be.
But if you're, like, running around, you don't want to, like, leave paths everywhere because it doesn't look good. You only want paths where you want paths.
Why can't you run around where you want in your town? It's your town. Use it when you need it. That was a JG Wentworth joke. I hope you liked it.
Yeah, I did. Thank you for making that joke.
Remember to rate, comment, subscribe if you want to see Animal Crossing Roommates Day 2, July 11th, 2018.
Those oranges.
What? Oh, just
all
like the sheer
oranges.
amount of oranges. I'm glad that you can do this in this game, because, man, selling fruit was such a pain in previous titles because you couldn't, like, condense them like that. It was such a colossal pain. It still kind of is when you have a whole lot and you end up making so many baskets that, like, we have exactly.
Compressed oranges.
Compressed oranges.
Double compressed oranges.
Oh no.
It's a little modded Minecraft reference for you guys.
We're gonna make a portal to the deep dark. And by that I mean, what was it called? Is it called the deep dark? I don't remember what it's called. It is the deep dark?
It depends on what one you're talking about.
Oh
yeah, as. Yeah, as. I just realized what you're saying.
I'm about to know what I'm talking about.
Yeah,
it's like, oh, you know that thing where you use quintuple compressed cobblestone and quadruple compressed cobblestone and iron unstable ingots? 1,800 bells isn't nearly enough. I'm sorry. I'm gonna write a message on the board. And then I think I'll be good. I think there's touchscreen in this game, because typing was a major pain in Animal Crossing GameCube.
Funny thing, when I started playing the other day, I was trying to use my keyboard. I don't know why, but I just did it instinctively. Tried to use my keyboard. And I did it multiple times.
Oh. I wish it was autocorrect so I could just spam and not actually have to put any effort in.
I wonder what color roof Jillian is gonna go with.
Oh, is he gonna get to pick the... Oh yeah, he probably will get to pick the...
I mean, if he pays it.
Yeah.
If he doesn't, then...
Oh, they have to have him, by the way. You know, they're like the symbols, like the animals.
Oh.
No, they don't have them. I want like the boar and stuff. And all those weird emotes I used. They don't have them. What's the point? This is... Oh wait, I know what I can do. My roommates are listening to the fucking Djibouti dub sticky buddy dub. Because they do that like... Oh god. I mean, it's kind of funny, but Djibouti dubs did other dubs. Here we go.
Well, I think I know. Oh, nice face.
There we go. And then when it's...
I always go... Oh, sorry.
When it's your turn to play, you can just write your name, obviously. I think I'm done. I keep... Oh, I just got messed up really badly because I thought we had to go back to the house to save. But we don't have to do that anymore. We can just pause. Oh, that's great. I don't think there's really anything else to do, so I'm just going to go ahead and cut it here. Hopefully, our schedule of... it's like Chris... me and Kay, Julian, Chris, me and Kay. Hopefully that's not too confusing. We just sort of didn't want to take up like all of the...
I'm sure
like half the series, considering, yeah, just
I mean,
considering like...
The only thing that changes is who's actually playing each time for us.
We just didn't want it, because we were really wanting to do dual commentary, but we didn't want to have that, you know, in... I'm sure you guys get... Yeah, exactly. I'm sure it wouldn't have been a bad thing, but also it may have detracted from it. I don't know.
Mm.
Anyway, I think
More fun like
we'll enjoy the way that we're doing it now, just fine. Anyway.
Mm.
Also, it gives them more chances to play because they don't have to wait as long for their turn to play.
Yeah.
Julian and Chris, so that's nice. It's pretty much.
I would have felt bad after waiting too long.
Yeah, it's pretty much the same schedule as last year's Animal Crossing roommates, except it's the two of us this time. No matter what, we're here to stay until we
Funny
leave
thing
again.
is, didn't I show up for a couple of years?
You did, yeah, you did. Fricko, once Animal Crossing Switch comes out, he's gonna have to leave for double, triple tax evasion. I'm so glad that it ended the way that it did. That was so funny. I need to go and watch that again.